Hey guys, welcome back. If you recall, quite a while ago, we started to make an arcade for Chelsea, and we opened up one of these LOL arcade heroes because I wanted to do a whole arcade. Well, right now we are going to go back and try to finish up all those old tasks before we move into the new year. So let's open up the new arcade game. The first one was, I believe, a blue. I don't think it's on these ones. It was, I think, this blue. This one is apparently an LOL. I guess it's still a boy because it says LOL Surprise Boys, but it does have a picture of a girl on it. I don't know. I don't even remember really how to open these. So let's go on this adventure together. These are perfect, though, for your Chelsea dolls. When they are standing right next to them, their hands can actually reach these little controls. So once we get them all opened and we get a carpet done and put up some walls, we will have the cutest LOL/Barbie or Chelsea arcade. Let's just go right into this. There is an order to open these, and I don't remember. I don't remember. I think we should just rip this off. You know what? Let's just do it. This one actually looks different than the other one. I'm going to get the other one and we're going to compare. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't know if there was a right way or a wrong way. We're just going to rip it. Okay. Oh, this is 100% different than the other one. The other one, I just walked away. I'm sorry. Here's the other one. This was the first one. Now, obviously, we've taken the doll out because you can see it being stored in there. But this is a black and this is gray. This is actually going to look really cute in a Chelsea arcade. These are different as well, but this is the same. Let's scooch this one off to the side and focus on this one. Now, how do we open it? Oh my gosh, look at the back. Because this one, look at the back. This actually looks like the back components. Okay, I like that. All right, how do we open this? Do we remember? I think there's a coin. Did it come with a coin? This would have been good to have instructions, right? Okay, bear with me. How do we... Ah! Ooh! Yes, that folds open. Okay, now we're rolling. I'm going to move that again. Okay. Ah! That comes off. Was it supposed to come off? Uh-oh. Okay. Well, we know it goes back. Ah! Woo, look at that. Okay. This is the Infinity Queen. So she is a girl. Okay. It's been a long time since I've done anything LOL. There are instructions. There are instructions. I just hit the camera. Okay. So it says do not pry it open. There's supposed to be a coin. Where's the coin? I didn't see a coin. Where did the coin come from? There's stuff in there. I remember that. Okay. I don't know. There is supposed to be a coin, and the coin props it open. Or you could be like me and just rip it off. Because that's what it said there. But where's the coin? I don't know. Okay. 3 is take the doll out, and 4 is twist this. 5 is put the doll together. And then submerge it in water if it drinks. Okay. I don't know. I don't know where my coin is. Where's the coin? Okay, on this one, this opens. And then the doll comes out. I don't even know where I put the coin. This one kind of flips too. Ah, okay, because it stores the stuff. Okay, I don't know where the coin is. I don't know. So let's put this one away. And we'll just open this up. And we'll do it the way I'm doing it, because I don't know. Are these even in stores anymore? I don't know. Okay, well, we got our doll. And then we can rip this open, right? How did this open? Do we remember? Did we just pull it? How did this open, guys? Someone go back and watch the old video and tell me how this opened. Those are the accessories. Okay, I'm not going to show you that. All right, let's put this little lid back together. This has to open first. My goodness. I think I should have gone back and looked. Okay, that's back together. Let's look at our doll because she is super cute. And is she like the size of a Chelsea? She's like the size of a Chelsea. So realistically, she could play this arcade game too. I don't know where the coin is. It doesn't even say in the instructions. Let's move on. Do you guys remember when LOL dolls were everywhere? LOL dolls were so big. They were absolutely, I gotta move some of this, everywhere. And I know I completely opened this wrong. I know. But here's our doll. Is this her back? Okay, her clothes are just falling apart. Oh, because you can change. Oh, wait, that's the, oh my goodness. I don't know how this goes. Okay, this goes like this. Look. And then this goes like this. Okay, and that's how you make the outfit. Okay. There's a reason that I stopped filming these. I am not good at this. Let's just get our little one out and then we can see what she looks like because now we're losing pieces. But anyway, let's start with this. Okay, here's how tall she is. Here's a Chelsea. So they are roughly the same size. Chelsea's a smidgen bigger. Put her little dress down. And now let's get the doll out of this. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. It has been, oh, I just broke her arm. Did I break her arm? Nope, this comes apart. Okay. I don't like these. I see why these were not popular. Not at all. Oh, look at her. Oh, look at her. Okay. So for this part, 100%. Look at that hair. And, oh no. Can you see it on my hands? The glitter is wearing off. But she is gorgeous. We don't want that. We don't want that. We want her and we want the arcade pieces. So let's just, I still don't know where the coin is. I don't know where you're supposed to get the coin. I don't know. I don't know. And if this is arcade boys, okay, here's all the ones that you can get. I mean, we can look at that. We got, no, this one, right? We got this one and now we got this one. Yeah. But I still don't know where the coin is. Uh-huh. Okay, cool. I know. Okay. You know what? We only wanted it for this to start with. So the rest of this is just a bonus. I know you're supposed to spin things and all this, and then this opens and you get the accessories. So let's move on and look because the accessories are so stinking cute. Look at this. Now, I bought this. I can't even open it. At the dollar store, Five Below, and honestly, it's been a couple years. And I know I bought it in the spring. So for them to be at the dollar store, you're probably not going to find these in stores, but let me know if these are still in your Five Below or your Dollar Tree or anything like that, because this component is pretty cool. This is what I wanted. And this one. I don't really want the pieces, so these will go to donate, and maybe we'll give them away. I don't know. We will figure that out afterwards, but let's look at our cute little accessories. Here is her dress. Look at how cute that is. Okay, let's put her dress on her. I can't even get the dress on her. Okay. Goodness. There's her. Oh my gosh. Come on now. And I still haven't found the coin. Where's the coin? I don't know where the coin is. Okay. Look at her dress. That's cute. That's nice. Look at her juice box. Galactic Punch. Oh my gosh. Does it go in her mouth? Oh, okay. That's cute. She's got a purse. No. This is a backpack with actual elastic like type straps. Okay, that is the coolest LOL thing I have seen. Okay, let's get this on her. Hey, there's her backpack. Okay. That also tells me one of our Barbie mystery bags from the thrift store had a tiny little bag like this with elastics. And I didn't know what it was for, but I'm thinking it's for her. Okay. What else does she have? Little shorts. She's very glittery. She's very pretty. I can't get the shorts on her. Oh, gosh. Okay, I can't get them all the way on. But she's got shorts and little shoes. Okay. You know what? I can't find the coin. I know I opened this wrong. There must be a coin somewhere. But we got a cute doll. And I think this, let me see a Barbie doll. Let's try this one. Will this be Barbie sized? Do you think that's Barbie sized? Where's one with arms? Here, this one has arms that move. So let's put the juice here. Oh yeah, that is totally Barbie sized. Okay, so considering I wanted it for this to make a Barbie Chelsea Arcade, I got a cool little juice box for Barbie. I mean, that's pretty cool. I think it's too big for Chelsea. Yeah, like that's much too big for Chelsea. But if it's Barbie. And we got an LOL doll that's really glittery and gets glitter everywhere. So is this a win? No. No. Now, maybe it was 2 years ago when I bought it to make the arcade. I mean, I do like that I now have a second game for the arcade. So now Chelsea's arcade is growing. Barbie got a drink. I don't think we're going to keep the LOL dolls, though. I think we're just going to keep the actual arcade pieces because we want the arcade for Chelsea. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Are you seeing these in stores still? I know these are old. Did you have fun watching me struggle through and break this? Because, you know, that's me. But what are you going to do? Thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to move on to the next step in our arcade. Guess what? There's one more of these. I don't know. Maybe we'll just... I don't know. But we got the 2 for the arcade, and that is important. So thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to do another video for you next week. Bye, everyone.